Number one mistake, I would say, I see this from IIT and NIT students as well. It's very surprising. They don't have to do this. But
Yeah.
what the first thing you want to make sure you don't do is what is called the mass email. You're setting up a generic email,
Yeah.
and then you're sending to 500 professors. So don't play this lottery. I think this is a bad idea. Because first of all, a lot of these emails are going straight to the spam box for a lot of these professors. If they, for whatever reason, if they see your email, if they read it, for a lot of people, this will actually trigger a negative response, because this is a generic email. This is an email that was not customized to this professor's interest. Like depending on the professor, like this might just be like a negative thing. And for whatever reason, if your name were to come up for some other reason, hopefully the professor doesn't remember this name, but it might trigger like a negative response. You want to make sure you understand the professor's background. Are they a research professor, right? Are they currently advising PhD students? Most professors will have a group website or a professor's website, so you can go to their website and you can see what is their current active area of research, what are the PhD students that they're advising, what is some of the work that they've done, what is the current work that they've done, and so forth. Another thing that you can do is that you see the list of their current PhD students. You can click through, or you can search the PhD student information. You can go to LinkedIn or their personal web pages. You want to see if that PhD student's background is kind of matching with your own. So then you can do a calibration. You can kind of see that, is this a professor that you can approach? They will have some information about how they would like to be contacted. Their information about, because a lot of, especially the top professors, they would get lots of emails, right? So they would like to, ideally they want to make sure they filter out all the automatic emails, and they want to get rid of all of those emails, right? They would like to connect with genuine, like students who genuinely want to, who are in that research area and so on. I would say the first thing you can do is, if you have formally applied to the university, you are in a great shape to individually email the professor as well. So this is like a little knock on the professor's door saying that, I have applied to the PhD program. I am specifically interested in your work, and I am very interested in, like, certain things. So you want your email to be very clear that you are specifically targeting this professor's line of research. You're really interested in some of the work that they have done. Bonus points if you have actually read the work, and you're able to even propose an extension. Like, if you're able to do that, you are now immediately in the mind of that professor.